Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix all the Bluetooth problems in this device. Simply go to settings. Now tap on the option general. Scroll down at the bottom you can see the option transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on this one. Tap on the option reset. So here you can see all the reset options that are available in this device. So to fix all the Bluetooth related problems, select the option reset network settings. Tap on this one. Now enter the passcode. Now we need to confirm this option reset network settings. Actually, if you tap on this one, it will not format or if it will not reset any options in your device. That means it will not delete any application, any photos, any videos, any files like that. It will fix all the network and Bluetooth related problems in your device. Okay, confirm this option. Now just wait for a few seconds. The device will restart. Just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, now you can see the device is successfully resetted. So simply in this way, if you are facing any Bluetooth related problems, if you do this step, it will fix all Bluetooth related problems in your device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.